Find or read reviews that people are talking about NiHoo Solar Rechargeable Dual Mode Pool Cleaning Robot. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Solar-powered charging dual mode robot vacuum cleaner can work and clean while charging under sunlight, with a working time of more than 18 hours. Even on rainy or cloudy days, it can work continuously for more than 6 hours when fully charged. Dual speed mode can easily switch between standard mode and fast mode, enjoying the flexibility of cleaning through both speeds. Self-parking, robotic pool cleaner will park near the pool wall when the battery is low or when a cleaning cycle has been completed. Intelligent radar obstacle avoidance, equipped with 2 front-mounted radar sensors. It can detect obstacles in real time and automatically adjust direction to avoid collisions with obstacles and walls. In narrow areas or corners, it can intelligently reverse to avoid getting stuck. Easy to use and clean. The cordless robot pool cleaner automatically cleans your swimming pool by turning on the switch. The large capacity miscellaneous basket adopts a drawer design, which can effectively collect various miscellaneous items such as leaves, petals, pebbles, insects, and hair. Take out the basket and rinse with clean water. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.